Good morning, kindergarten. Today we're going to do our very first math lesson. I'm going to show you some things on your screen, and I want you to answer some of my questions, okay? Today we're going to talk about things that are exactly the same and things that are not quite the same at all. Let's see how we do. All right. Find two objects that are exactly the same. Okay, well, already on the screen, I see two socks that are exactly the same. They are the same color, they're the same shape. I see that they have orange at the toe and orange at the heel. They have some green stripes on them, but most of the socks are blue. Okay, so these socks are exactly the same. I can't see anything that's different. Let's see what else we have. Are these socks the same? Or are they different? Go ahead and look at them. What color are these socks? They both look blue to me, so does that mean that they're the same because they're both blue? I don't think so. They still seem a little different to me. One of them does not have orange at the toe and the heel, but the other one does. So these socks are not exactly the same. These socks are different. Are these socks the same or are they different? What do you think? See if you can answer that question. Are these socks the same or are they different? Okay, well, they're both red. That's the same, right? And they even both have some white on them, so that's the same. But this sock over here is way bigger, and this sock over here is way smaller, so they're not exactly the same. They are a little different. Are these socks the same or are they different? Okay, well, what color are they? They're both yellow. Are they the same size? They look the same size. I think these socks are exactly the same. Do you agree? Let's see what else we have. Are these socks the same or are they different? Well, they're the same size and they have the same colors. They both have green and yellow, but they have different things on them. So I guess these socks are not exactly the same. These socks are different. So now for today's problem set, you are going to go to page 1 in your Eureka Math book. On page 1, you're going to answer these questions. I'll read it out to you. Follow my pointer. Find animals that are exactly the same. Then find animals that look like each other but are not exactly the same. Draw a line connecting the animals. Okay, well, I can already see that this bird is exactly the same as this bird, and they already drew a line for me. What else do we have? I see a squirrel here. Is there another squirrel on this page that looks like that? Yeah, I see a squirrel down here. This squirrel looks exactly the same. So I need to draw a line between these two squirrels that look exactly the same. Then we have a bunny rabbit right here. Is there a bunny rabbit on this page somewhere else? I see another bunny rabbit up here, but it's bigger. So are they exactly the same? No, they're a little different. They look like each other, but they're not exactly the same because they're not the same size. So you can connect these bunny rabbits. Okay, and then I see a skunk. Are there any other skunks on this page? I see a tiny skunk over here. So they're not the same size, so they're not exactly the same, but they still look like each other. So connect those two. And then last, I see this dog right here. And hey, I see the same dog right here. These two look exactly the same. So make sure on your page that looks like this, you connect the animals that are exactly the same, and you also connect the animals that look alike but might not be exactly the same. Great job! And make sure when you come to our group, you're ready to talk about all of the different things that are exactly the same and the things that are a little different, but still might look alike. Great job, kindergarten!